Pillar number 3, uploading the tracking number. This is a task that needs to be done daily between Monday through Friday before 11:59 Pacific Standard Time, okay? So you want to make sure you upload the tracking numbers before midnight, basically. And here's the reason why. eBay actually evaluates and monitors your selling activity, and they keep an eye out on how you handle the transaction from start to finish. Okay. Just know that they keep track of a handful of things like how quickly you upload the tracking number, your communication with the buyer, and also is the buyer happy with the product that they receive? Did they receive the product that you advertise? Okay. And that all goes into a performance evaluation that will actually determine your selling limits. And you're going to learn more about the selling limits and the performance indicators in another lecture, but just keep that in mind for now, okay? So after you generate some sales and you process the orders for your customer from your source, the next thing you want to do is upload the tracking number, okay? Now, you're going to receive the tracking number from your source generally within 1 to 3 business days. Keep in mind that business days are Monday through Friday. Saturday and Sunday do not count as a business day. So if you place an order on Friday, you may not get a tracking number until Monday, Tuesday, latest even Wednesday. Okay, and here's where you go to do it. First thing, same thing. You're going to go to the My eBay button at the top right. For your back office, click on Selling. And I'll show you how to do one here because I actually have a tracking number that I need to upload. You're going to click on Sold. And you're going to go to that same section where you found the information for processing the order. You're going to click on Awaiting Shipment. Okay. And here it is. You have a couple of places where you can add the tracking number. This is the first place where there's a tracking number and the Add button. You can click on that. You can also click on the squares if you want to do multiple tracking numbers. And then you can click on Add Tracking Number button at the bottom. Okay. So if you want to do multiple orders at the same time. Or you can even click on More Actions and click Add a Tracking Number. So as you can see, there's a lot of different places to do it. It's very, very easy, very user-friendly. Okay, so I'm going to add tracking number, and it's going to look like this. You're going to copy and paste the tracking number and who the carrier is. Now, where do you get this? You're going to receive an email from your source. So if you place an order on bedbathandbeyond.com or HomeDepot.com or Walmart.com or Lowe's.com or Amazon.com, when you place an order, you put in your email address. You want to make sure you're also registering for an account with those sources because it's going to make checking out a lot easier. And the email will contain the tracking number. Another place where you can find the tracking number is on their actual website. Now, from my experience, sometimes the source will not email you the tracking number until a day later. So a good thing to do is to actually log on the website because sometimes you'll be able to just grab the tracking number a lot faster than it takes them to email it to you. Okay, so in this scenario, I have Kathy Warner here. Here's her order. I'm going to click on Track Package. Okay, and as you can see, here's the tracking number. It's very simple. It was shipped out via UPS and the tracking number. So all I'm going to do here is just copy this. And she ordered 2 sets of this. So I'm actually going to go back to the Add the Tracking Number section. And I'm going to type in UPS. And it's the same. It's going in the same place. So there's 2 items. Okay, so UPS. And then you hit Save. And that's it, folks. That's how you upload the tracking number. Now you're going to notice something. When you go back to the Sold tab, under Awaiting Shipment, it is now 0. Okay, there's no more items under Awaiting Shipment because once you post a tracking number, that means that item or that package has shipped out. All right, so that means so if this is blank, that means you have no sales or all your packages have shipped out, and it all goes under this category under shipped. This means these are all paid orders and shipped out for the customer. So that's all done. So there's different tabs here. Okay? And that's it. There's really nothing more to it.